Hi everyone, today you might be wondering what I'm doing with this boiling pot of water. Well, what I'm doing is I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some tasty spaghetti with sausage. So what you're going to do is let your water come to a boiling rapid boil, and while it's boiling you're going to add in your spices. So the spices that I used today was basil, parsley, black pepper, ginger, garlic, and oregano. So after the spices were added, I pretty much let it boil for another 5 minutes. Then I added my pasta. So the pasta I used was, if you put your hand in like the shape of like your thumb touching, I believe it's your index finger, maybe it's your pointer. Well, you know what I mean, one of those two. You're going to make a circle, and the pasta you put in that's pretty much like a serving. So I'm actually going to use about half the box, which is a pretty good gauge. Now while my pasta is boiling, what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare my sausage. So the sausage, I put some vegetable oil actually in my pan, and that'll prevent your sausage from actually sticking to the pan. If you don't want to use vegetable oil or another type of oil, you actually can add water to your pan. And you'll cook your sausage till it's brown and thoroughly around internal temperature like 165 Fahrenheit. But now while you're working with the sausage, don't forget about your pasta. You can't just leave it the way it is. You can have your lid on top of it, but just make sure you continue to stir it around some, and do the same with your sausage. So when your sausage is cooked about halfway or a little bit more than halfway, then you can add in your sauce. Your sauce could be store-bought, or you can make it from scratch. If you make it from scratch, what I use is tomato paste. You can use ketchup, water, basil, parsley, pretty much the same ingredients that I used earlier that I showed you about. Those were oregano, black pepper, ginger, garlic. You also could add lemon pepper if you want, or a pinch of salt. Don't forget also again to check on your pasta, but this is pretty much how your pasta look when it's done. And here is with the sauce and the sausage. So take care, don't forget to hit subscribe, comment down below, give me a like, as well as hit the bell for more notifications. Till next time.